Known as the father of immunochemistry and molecular biology, Oswald Theodore Avery is famed for his discovery of DNA as the substance responsible for genetic inheritance. His contributions to the study of nucleic acids have transformed the scientific community's understanding of DNA, building the foundation for modern-day biochemistry research. Avery started his career in 1904 as a medical doctor. However, he soon grew frustrated by his inability to save his patients from common diseases. As a result, he switched into medical research at the Rockefeller Institute in New York City, where he would stay for the rest of his career. It was during his time there that Avery began focusing on an experiment by Frederick Griffith centered around the study of R and S strains of pneumococcus. The S strain is virulent and fatal when injected into a mouse, while the R strain is non-virulent and non-fatal. When Griffith injected a mouse with live R strain bacteria and heat-killed S strain cells, the mouse was killed. This result demonstrated that virulent S strain bacteria transformed the non-pathogenic R bacteria, suggesting the existence of a substance known as a transforming principle that carries genetic information. In hopes of determining the chemical identity of the transforming principle, Avery performed an experiment where he destroyed individual components of heat-killed S strain bacteria, added this to a culture of R strain bacteria, and observed if transformation took place. He hypothesized that if the transforming principle was removed from the S bacteria, introduced R cells will be unable to transform and therefore no virulent S strain cells will be observed. As such, when DNA was destroyed from a sample using deoxyribonuclease, no transformation from R to S strains took place. Avery therefore concluded that DNA was the transforming principle and the genetic material of inheritance. Avery's discovery was initially met with much opposition, however soon inspired groundbreaking research in the field of microbiology, taking discoveries such as Chargaff's rule and the 3D structure of DNA as an example. Avery's work in discovering the transforming principle, alongside his other research in pneumococcus, truly labels him as one of the most notable Canadian biochemists in history.